Well, we are back at Philly. If you didn't see my last video, I did an open mic here, and today it's a little bit different. I'm doing a work trivia party. I'm flying solo today, so hopefully I remember everything that Jason did. There we go. I think there's some sort of cosmic law that whatever sound guy did sound before you is always messy. We are rocking the good old X32 again tonight. I like to have a clean work environment, so I'm gonna go ahead and move these mic stands out of the way. I'm gonna need to be back here once in a while anyway. The next thing I'll do is go ahead and save a scene of my own so I don't accidentally save over somebody else's. I want to use my iPad, so to find the IP so that I can connect to it, you just need to go into here. Then I just need to change the IP to match in my iPad. There's only 2 people using microphones today, so I'm just going to need 2 wedges. They are JBL 512s. The tops are going to be a couple K12s. And the 2 subs are going to be the good old KS118s. If they were just talking today, I wouldn't need subs, but they're going to be playing music in between. The budget didn't allow for wireless mics, so I went wired, and I ran the cables on top of the table. Obviously they'd look better underneath, but I didn't want them to trip on the cables. Which way would you have done it? Now, I had no idea what inputs this analog snake was plugged into, so I find it easiest just to plug in and kind of tap on the mic. You'll see the signal kick through. And I wanted vocal, and there it is. Now I'll go through and black out and delete the names of all the inputs I'm not using. I just loaded up one of their defaults. I could have thrown everything in the first 3, but I'm just used to where vocals normally land.
Test. Test. 1, 2. Yes. Yes.
Now that I'm all finished setting up, I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up my workspace. Yay! Free food! These tenders are actually really delicious. I'm not sure what this crunchy coating is on these fries, but man, it's good. People are starting to show up, and we're gonna get this party started soon. Alright, let's do this.
Literature, board games, alcohol, and literature. For your category board games, you have a multiple choice question to start. We're going to ease into this trivia today. In the classic board game Clue, which of these rooms is not a part of the board game? A, hallway, B, library.
Everybody raves about Mixing Station, and I think it's really ugly, and I have no problems with the regular app, but since this was a really low-key gig, I just spent some time messing around with it. If any of you use it and have any tips on how to get my layout to look nicer, please let me know in the comments. And that's it. It's over. Time to pack up all the stuff. I really didn't need to supply much, just my iPad and a couple cables. They lock up their cables. I'm assuming people must steal cables. Thanks again for joining me in this video. It was a short, easy gig, but it shows that you can use the sound skills for other things besides just bands.